Good afternoon, Seahawk teachers. This is a quick tutorial on how to implement or to log an Aeries discipline referral. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Aeries system. The next thing you're going to want to do is to type in the name of the student that you want to write up the discipline for. Then you're going to go down to guidance. When you click on guidance, you should see discipline. You're not going to see the assertive discipline tab, so don't worry you're missing anything. But you're going to click on discipline, and you'll see the display options and discipline records. When you're adding a record, click add. It gives you today's date. If the incident happened a different date, you can change the date. Then you're going to put the code. If it's the first offense, you can put first step, so on and so forth, up to the fourth step. If it's an immediate office referral, because you've already followed the steps, you can click on office referral. The next thing you're going to want to do is click on the status. If it needs to be reviewed by admin, go ahead and click this. If it was resolved, maybe there was a conflict in class, or maybe it's just FYI, somebody was chewing gum. Feel free to put in the exact time. You don't have to. The location of the incident is in your classroom. Possible motivation is not an option at this time, but then go ahead and put the consequence, whether you called home, you issued a detention, office referral, warning, so on and so forth. These are the ones I'm going to be looking at, the office referrals. And so if you do put warning or anything else, I won't be commenting back on that for you. But in the comments section, you're going to put down what the student did. So student was shouting out and disrespectful using profanity. And make sure you spell things correctly. Respectful. That's what you get when you're recording, huh? Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and save. So this is what I'm going to see when it's implemented. And also for other students that you share with other teachers, you'll be able to see what other discipline records they have. If for some reason it was an accident and you did not mean to put this student, go ahead and click on the little icon that's the pencil, and you can go ahead and delete this. So hopefully that's helpful to you. If you have any questions, please make sure you let me know so I can address any concerns you have. Thank you.